Lungs sound clear. She's healthy and good to go. Confirmed, doctor. Status updated. Temperature looks good across the board. Yes, and the quality reading is optimal.
Sample 47B is clear. All parameters met. Recorded. The batch is approved for production.
All parameters checked. The delivery is approved. We are ready for production.
Check the quality metrics on line 3.
All parameters are within the automated threshold.
All indicators are green. Pasteurization is proceeding smoothly.
Confirmed. The cooling phase is stable.
Look at the viscosity reading here. Yes, perfectly consistent. The batch is good.
Look at the flow rate on line 3. It's slightly below target.
Adjusting the servo timing now. It should stabilize the volume.
Reminder to all forklift operators. Ensure all pallets are securely wrapped before scanning.
Straps are secure, documentation checked, go ahead and seal her up. Confirmed. Truck 3 is sealed and ready for dispatch.
In 5 miles, take the exit toward the regional distribution center. Continue on the elevated highway.
Temperature check is good. Everything looks perfectly chilled. We'll take it.
Have you tried the camel milk before?
Yes, it's excellent for recovery. I always buy several.
Here is the fresh camel milk, everyone.
It looks delicious. Thank you, Habibi.
I want some too.